Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log into your WhatsApp application, open your WhatsApp application. Agree and continue to the WhatsApp privacy policy and terms of service. WhatsApp will need to verify your number to create an account. So choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap on next. Check your number, edit if you have entered your number incorrectly or tap on OK. Enter a 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number. If you want WhatsApp to access your contacts, click on Allow. Type in your name and click on Next. This is how you can sign up for your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.